Hello everyone, my name is Rameshri and today I'll walk you through the research behind my paper titled Master Data Management Using AI Observability Tools. I'll explain you how I derive my outcomes, which sources shape my understanding, the sources I rejected, the challenges I faced, and the skills I gained. My research explores how AI driven observability enhances master data management in multi cloud, distributed environments, and requiring real time monitoring. So, the traditional MDM system always served as a single source of truth but struggles to find the difficulties in drift detection, pipeline monitoring, and automated governance. The AI observability addresses this gap by continuous monitoring, logs, metrics, and performance evaluation overall. So, this motivation came from the growing challenge where organization face difficulty to maintain the master data uh, for amidst the volume of the data and adapting to hybrid clouds and streaming pipelines. AI observability helps by continuous evaluating data, detecting anomalies and schema drift, strengthening the overall data reliability. The aim of my research was to investigate how AI observability can integrate with MTM and evaluate its benefits and also future challenges, implementation of challenges, opportunities for automated governance rather than a master data management, which is not that effective for the current data that is evolving. So, I combined peer reviewed studies, industry reports, and technical documentation. For my MDM foundations, authors like Das, Mishra, and Atlantis Press Framework helped me for understanding the data quality strategies. A research by Sabamuthi and Tiwari clarified how observability goes beyond traditional monitoring using AI to interpret logs, metric traces. Gartner analysis and Roberts and Sheen offered insights into the shift from reactive monitoring to AI enabled observability. Technical research from IBM and APM Digest connected theory to practice, while Annam's study on cloud analytics agents showed how observability integrates into cloud workflows. Together, these sources provide a balanced understanding of how MDM and AI observability complement each other in modern architectures. So I excluded such some sources because it was not efficient enough for my research paper, such as vendor marketing blocks. So it overstated AI capabilities and lacked evidence. And MDM papers, the previous which were outdated, focused on the traditional ETL monitoring, which is not required right now, and generic MI and AL papers, which do not directly link to the concept, but it does provide me some insights. Filtering these ensure my literature review remained current, relevant, and academically rigorous. So, I conducted a systematic literature review identifying recurring themes such as data quality management, anomaly detection, governance, automation, observability metrics. From this, I derived three outcomes. So, first one is the integration outcome. Embedding AI observability into MDM creates a continuous feedback loop detecting the drift and triggering corrective actions automatically. Performance evaluation. Observability improves scalability and reliability by understanding the latency or schema mismatch and finding where does the data actually goes wrong early than expected. So finally, governance outcome, which is very important, by the way. MDM combined with observability strengthens compliance as anomalies are traceable in real time, simplifying the audits. I also noted a research gap, such as lack of standardized metrics for observability, so which is a bit more time consuming as you have to be aware of which metrics does MDM actually rely on. So the challenges I faced during this paper where it was directly linked to MDM and AI observability. So with the operational research, so it made me a bit confusing, and the most important challenge that I faced is overlapping terminologies. So differentiating words such as DevOps, MLOps, AIOps are very important and very required careful comparisons. industry sources bias. So I validated few of the promotional claims against academic studies, such as I once read MDM tools that are effective, but found out that it was mainly on McLaren. So it was their report. So they emphasize more on advertising than providing the facts. So this is also one of the source I rejected, and why. So finally, when it comes to the research, this desperately dependent on my understanding of modern data ecosystem and how it's reshaping governance. So I developed skills in literature synthesis, evaluation of technical gains, and also identifying future research directions. So finally, I want to conclude that this study also revealed opportunities like standardizing observability frameworks for MDM and creating AI-driven governance for dashboards. Overall, this was a challenging but rewarding journey that strengthened my academic and professional capabilities. Thank you.